Welcome back. Mining pool dangers. So, what are the dangers of mining pools? Well, they do introduce some kind of a centralization in the system, right? Ideally, we wouldn't have mining pools. Ideally, we would have basically individuals just being able to mine economically, rationally, and securely. So, mining pools are having at times more than 51% in the past that happened. So here you have an example of 2014 where the Ghash IO mining pool apparently had close to or above 51%. So that's certainly a danger for this particular for the particular blockchain. And at that stage, the Ghash mining pool committed to not have more than 40% hash rate at a Bitcoin mining summit. Now, entities can easily claim that they don't have more than 40%, but who knows whether a mining pool is owned by the same entity, right? It could be that the top 3 mining pools are all owned by the same shareholders or entity. So it's quite hard to identify the particular owner in a sense. So mining pools have an influence about which transactions enter the blockchain. The mining pools can try to inflate transaction fees or the Ethereum gas price, so to increase basically the costs of using the blockchain, and then they can obviously collude with each other to reach more than 51%. Apparently, some pool had interfered with investing in ICOs by prevented other users from participating in purchasing coins. These are not necessarily validated and proven allegations, but people clearly see that mining pools have this power. Also, one of the dangers nowadays is the danger of miner extractable value. Where miners can extract value from, for example, the decentralized finance space through arbitrage, liquidations, or sandwich attacks. So there are also a few network layer attacks that might occur. So we can look into network layer attacks later in the security lecture. But basically, the mining pools can try to eclipse their users into different partitions, and then try to give them a different set of transactions, and this kind of it influences the users to not see the same reality. And if people are not aligned and they don't have consensus or are not aligned in a blockchain protocol, they might lose money because they perform actions that they wouldn't have if they would have the whole the information about the whole network. There's obviously a political and a regulatory danger. So what if China, for example, were to stop or try to abolish all the mining plants in China? This would certainly have a detrimental effect on blockchains. The pool operators are trusted to pay out the reward. Well, they're doing this regularly, so this is a regular payout. So if they were not doing that, then probably the miners would leave. They would not work with those pool operators. But mining pool operators certainly have more influence about voting mechanisms. So they can choose to vote given the power that they're given by the miners that are joining this particular pool. Thank you very much for watching.